Hey everyone, today I want to give you a closer look at this DiBanGu tie set. We actually bought this for our son for his graduation so his tie would match his prom date's dress. Now, of course, it is available in several different colors. This one happens to be the royal blue. So in this kit, we'll get to the tie in a second. It did come with a handkerchief or pocket square here. This is 9 inches by 9 inches. It's kind of shiny on the back and still shiny on that side, but not quite as bright. You can see what the pattern looks like there. Now he's worn the tie on several occasions and it's held up fairly well. It also did come with cuff links that look like that. So there's 2 of those in there. And it also came with this little brooch to clip onto his suit if you wanted to use that. And it's got the pin attached and you can just pull that off when you want to use it. And as for the tie, that's what it looks like there. Again, you can see the pattern. Now this is 59 inches long and the width here at the bottom, if you were wondering, is about 3.15 inches. So not too wide of a tie. And he's 6'6" long. So once we tied the tie, there was still about 6 to 8 inches left at the other end. Now, if we have a quick look at the back here, you can see how it's sewed. There's a little reinforcement there, little thing for the backside to go through, and it's held up quite well. So this is the DiBanGu tie kit with the tie, cufflinks, brooch, and pocket square.